At Sammler CS, we manufacture the latest generation of gearbox housings with replaceable ball bearing liners using state-of-the-art CNC machines. Our 5-axis CNC machines process aluminum castings with the highest precision, utilizing a variety of specialized drilling and milling tools to shape them into reliable components with perfect accuracy. Supported by modern CAD and CAM systems, we are able to analyze the entire design and machining process in advance. With the help of the digital twins of our machining centers, tool paths, clamping devices, all machine movements are simulated under real conditions. As a result, manufacturing errors are virtually excluded. At Sammler CS, maintaining this level of precision is common practice. Thanks to our extensive experience, we can consistently ensure the highest standards that will continue into the future, due to our seamless quality control, supported by a 3D coordinate measuring machine. We guarantee the consistent high quality of our products. Sammler CS stands for comprehensive expertise and outstanding reliability in replacement components suitable for Sundyne and Sunflo pumps and compressors. Our international customers appreciate the dependability and innovation of our products, ensuring the optimal operation of their systems today and in the future. Sammler CS. Excellence in every component.